Hello class, this is a homework example from section 1.6. This is problem number 17 and 1.6 that was sent to me on the Ask My Instructor link. So again, just use that link if you have any questions. So what you have to do here is manipulate the graph using transformations. So we have the base function y equals x cubed, or f of x equals x cubed. Okay, remember that's the cubic. So you'll need to use the cube tool. Okay, and we'll just click on here to get started. And then it wants us to know, all right, what do you need to do to this? Okay, now if you look, remember the different things that do transformations. Vertical stretching or shrinking is done by a number out in front of this parentheses. If there's a 5, a 2, something like that is going to stretch this thing vertically. Okay, if there's a number like a 1/2, a 1/10, some number between 0 and 1, that's going to compress it vertically, meaning make it smaller, closer towards the x-axis. Stretching or shrinking horizontally happens if there's a number in front of this x in the parentheses. Like if there was a 2, a 5, that's going to shrink it. Stretch it shrink it horizontally. And then if this number was like 1/2 or 1/10, it's going to stretch it horizontally. Okay, so shrinking and stretching horizontally aren't going to happen here, vertically or horizontally, because there's no numbers, just 1 out in front of the parentheses and 1 in front of the x. So we don't have to worry about that. Okay, the only thing this thing is going to do is shift left and right, or up and down. So we got an x plus 3. That's a horizontal shift to the left. So we're going to go to the left 3 units. Okay, and then the plus 5 is going to be a vertical shift up 5 units. Alright, so I'll make that go to 5, make that go to 3. And there's our new location of this graph. Alright, so let's do another one just to make sure we got it. Plus 6, plus 2, I'm going to blow it up. This is still a cubic. So I'm going to select the cube tool, just click in here to get started. There again, there's just ones here. So this is going to be just a shift horizontally and vertically. Alright, plus 6 inside the parentheses, that's going to make us go left to the left 6 units. And then the plus 2 is going to make us go up 2 units. Okay, so there's our new location. And again, I check it and it works. Alright, so that's how you use the transformation tool on these cubics, and it works for the others as well. But you have to remember in the parentheses, the x, it's a horizontal shift, but we go in the opposite direction of the sign. Outside of the parentheses, the vertical shifts, we go in the direction of the sign.